is sweet and sour cow yamina. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here, but I seen it. I came across it. I'm like, fuck it. I'm gonna show this. I'm gonna show this to the chat. Hey, which one of y'all niggas is eating right now, man? Y'all need to check this out. Yo! Oh, they're eating this as a dish. Okay, so just so y'all know, I can't even get flagged for this because it's a dish. This is the food in Vietnam, apparently. You can't even get mad at it because this is a cultural thing. It's a cultural dish. Let's get into it. What is that, rice? It takes 75 minutes to cook it. 10 hours to clean and deodorize it. What does it smell like at first? I wonder what it smell like. Oh, y'all said that's salt. Okay, okay. Okay. You went rub on that. And what is this? What is that? What the hell is this? It look a little bit like raw chicken. A little bit. I don't know. Oh, man. I don't even need to comment on that. What the fuck is this nigga doing? Or it's a woman. But what was that for? That's part of the cleaning process? And that's the shaving. That's shaving. What the fuck is going on? Oh shit. Oh shit. You being rough with it. They being rough with it. Hold on. What are you doing? Yeah, this shit is sick. Yet I'm still watching it. I don't know what's... Man. This shit is disgusting, but I can't click off. Why are you scraping it so hard? What are you doing? What the hell is going on? Oh. Hot water. Is that hot water? Okay. Okay, we just cleansed off some bacteria or something. That's what that was. Now, we go ahead and shave that. So I'm wondering if they gonna scrape. Oh my God! Look, it's getting to the Yam Meester. But hold on though. It's okay. I'm assuming they gonna scratch all of this off, this dark shit, and it's just gonna look like that at the end. It's gonna be like this color, like the whitish shit. Who was the first nigga to say, you know what, I want some of that cow? Like, it's like, that's not, I just don't understand how this could be a delicacy. It's like, you can eat any other part of the cow, bro. I don't know which parts is edible. Where do hamburgers come from? Do they cut that off the back or something? Like, it gotta be a meaty part, right? Where do hamburgers come from? What part of the cow is that? This shit is crazy. How much food do we eat from cows? Like, what's all the dishes? Before I start naming shit that don't even make sense. I was about to go on a whole tangent, but I don't want to just start saying goofy shit. Man. Burgers or flank? What does, I don't even know what that means. Whoa, 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 what just happened? What just happened? We just skipped the whole process. What is this? This is under the... What is this? Nigga, you've done enough already. That's enough. After I see all that hair and shit like that, it's like I don't even want this as a meal. You know what I'm saying? Like, you had to just to go through the whole process. Don't get me wrong. When it's done, if you didn't show me the process of making it, I will eat the shit out of that. But the fact that I had to see it, like, put it this way. When niggas grab chicken and all that from the supermarket, it don't be having hair on it. It don't be having nothing, none of the feathers, none of that on it. And that's what, to me, it makes it already be looking damn near appetizing. Like, it's like, oh, that's damn near ready to go. As soon as you fry that, it's damn near ready to go. But this shit, it's like, to see this made from the ground up, I don't want it. But best believe if you just fried this and all that shit and didn't show me how you did it, I'll eat some cow, yeah, some yam manor in a second. In a second, without a doubt. Yo, all of this just to eat this shit. Okay, so maybe this is more of a process than I give them niggas credit. This must be how they do everything. They gotta shave everything before we get it. That makes sense. I'm sorry, I'm just coming to a realization. What the fuck?
Nhưng bác ngồi ghế mà. Bên anh rồi.
Hey, Irvin, chill out, man. Okay, so at least we know what we trying. If anybody in the chat ever goes to Vietnam, you best believe this is the dish we all got to request right here. We want cow and sweet and sour. Oh, okay. Now I'm liking this. What is that we stuffed in it? What is that? Like a green onion? Something like it? Something similar to a green onion? It's like a bamboo stick. It's damn near celery. And limes. Okay. 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 Oh.
Nhìn có vẻ trắng trắng thôi. Xe để đâu?
Oh man. Calm down. Stop being gentle. What the fuck is going on here? What you putting in there? What is that? Water. That gotta be water.
Nước giấm đấy. Giấm nó mới trắng, nó đỡ mùi hôi.
Oh shit. Now it looked like a squid or an octopus. Like every time they flip it over, that shit look weird as hell.
Khách bé.
Cháu bé. Em nên cháu bé.
Nay 10 mấy tuổi rồi.
Mấy tuổi? 27.
Cháu 17.
Cháu 20 mấy tuổi rồi.
Kỹ sư xây dựng đấy à.
Cháu 26 tuổi rồi đấy.
6 này à? Ui rồi, trông như 16 tuổi.
Thế á?
Ừ.
Thật không ấy?
Thật.
Quân này là con trai, còn đây là cô bé này là cô đến cô mua hàng đây này, Quân bán cái này này. Đấy.
Oh man, this is a hell of an experience right here.
Rồi. Chút nữa mình phải cắt hết cái này ra ấy. Thì bên trong nó mới ấy được. Trong cái gì?
Thì mới rửa bên trong được à?
Quen làm gà biết nhờ.
Wait a goddamn minute. Okay, so this is like, there's no way they're selling this in restaurants here. This is just the slums of Vietnam. I'm just peeping it. It's not like niggas made, like, I don't think too many people eat this over there. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these niggas got a portable stove and it's looking like they hurting. Oh yeah, street food. Okay, so yeah, it's just the niggas who be, okay, I got you. I got you. I just want to see how it's going to turn out. What are we doing with this? Where are we going? All right, man, do something with it. Uh-oh, here we go. This is what we've been waiting for. This right here. Drink the water for 10 billion? Hell yeah, I'll drink the water for $100. No, I won't. I'll take that back. I'll drink it for a stack. Oh, what is this? This is interesting. That now that is sweet. What is that? Them ain't strawberries, is it? No, that's some Vietnamese shit. With the celery on it. That's definitely celery. Little coconut water. Oh, oh, oh. Oh yeah. Yeah. Now I'm highly interested now. Highly interested. This shit is turning out decent. Wait, what? Oh, that's the inside of the coconut. I was about to say, what the hell? Where'd that come from? Okay, and they broiling it to a stew. Or boiling. Okay, now how long do it take though? We need to know these things. In case we come across some Yamaner. Ooh. Ooh. You can hear it bubble. Oh yeah. This, I'm not even bullshitting. This doesn't look like it's bad. Oh, there we go. There we go. I will eat it. I will eat it. I love peppers and shit like that. Hell yeah. Throw all of them in there. Yeah. Yeah. Put it inside of there too. Stuff it. Oh yeah. I'm fucking with this. I do think it should be fried, but I'll take it the way it is. I'll take it boiled. That's okay. That's an interesting stove y'all got. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Not too bad. Yeah. I would eat it. Hell yeah. See, and that color really did something to the whole dish. Color means a lot in food. I'm no expert, but this just changed, this reddish tint just changed the whole shit. It's like now it looks like a delicacy. I like it. I'm damn near salivating. I want some. Wait, there's no... This might be a dumbass question. There's no bone? Oh, there's no bone. Just get right down to the gristle.
Rất ngon.
Oh, yeah. It definitely looked weird in the middle. I want this piece right here. This tail right here. This shit look tender. Boy, hey, this right here look like a whole... That's like a chicken tender right there. I want it. I want this part. Y'all can have the rest. Y'all can have this. This is giving me ham vibes. We'll see how it turn out, how they eat it and all that. I want this shit right here, though. Hell yeah. It probably tastes like ham. Look at that. Look at that. Hell yeah. Okay, give me this slice. That one right there. Oh, shit, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. This really is food now. See? Told you. Just don't show me how you made it. And I'll eat the hell out of that. Oh, yeah. I like the parts with more color to it, though. Them parts that be deep in the inside, it don't look too good. It look too plain. Hell yeah. So who get the middle? Who get the actual... Man, I want to see y'all eat it now. Oh, they about to eat it. They about to serve it up, too. I just took a sneak peek. Oh, shit, yeah. Give me some. Give me some. What y'all put on the side with it? With a side of kale. Oh, what's the little stew situation y'all got there? Oh, what is them? Chips? Them is potatoes? Oh, hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Oh, give me all of that. All of that. I'll eat the hell out them peppers, too. You best believe that. That little pepper stew right there. Oh, man. I want parts. I'll get right down next to them niggas. Oh, man. Hell yeah. Oh, shit. That was interesting, man. That was hella interesting.